Hi everyone, it's Andrea here and welcome back to another video, and it's been a while. Sobrang na-miss ko mag-unbox. So tonight, I'll be sharing with you this baby na pinadala sa akin. This parcel came from Identity Apparel Shop. So shout out po. Thank you so much. So unboxing lang tayo, and then for the next videos, I'll be sharing with you, features and all, and paano ko siya gagamit and how I will style this one. Let's see. Hindi ko na ipapakita yung unahan kasi it contains my... Oh my God! Ang dami pa na! Oh my God! So this is how the package looks like. I thought isa lang yung pinadala nila, pero ang dami! Oh my God, I'm so excited. So, yung pinadala nila sa akin ay socks, pair of socks. So, as you know, I am very much into running, walking, and jogging, and everything. They are so kind enough na magpadala. Oh my God, super excited. So, i-review ko ito. Papakita ko lang muna. Ano, thank you po. Okay, what we have here, ayan, Identity Apparel, socks, and undies for homebodies. So cute. Ang ganda! Look at the quality. Alright, apologies kasi naputol yung video, but here are the socks, as I am saying. Sobrang ganda ng quality niya, makapal. Sobrang cute ng aso. So, merong ganito. Brand nila, Identity Apparel. So, this is the first sock. And then, the second one, we have here, color white. So, ito talaga yung aking pinili, from ipapadala nila, but hindi ko in-expect na madami pala siya. I thought isa lang. So, this one ay sports socks. Yung size ko is 8. So, US size 7 to 9. Ang ganda ng quality. And look, may paganito pa. So, yan. Ganyan siya. And then, the last one, sports socks. Ang ganda ng pagkakapak niya. And here is the last pair. So, mas mahaba naman siya. Sobrang ganda. Ang ganda ng kulay. This one is in violet and blue. And perfect kasi yung shoes ko is pink. So, pink and violet. And of course, meron silang pinadala ng mga stickers. So, we have milk tea. And then this one. And this one. Ang ganda ng quality ng kanilang pouch. In fairness. And then, we have yung mga papel here. Great job on supporting our small business. You're awesome. Oh, ang cute. And something for me. So, meron silang pa-QR here. So, yun lang naman. Thank you so much. Super na-appreciate ko ang inyong mga pinadala. And, nakakaganang mag-run and everything. So, ito ang mga gagamitin ko in the near future. Sobrang ganda. Thank you so much, Identity Apparel Shop. And, yun lang guys. If you want then ng mga ganitong socks, we will review them and I will link the products. So, yun lang. Thank you guys for watching sa aking unboxing. So, I'll see you on my next videos. Bye!